No pressure. Okay, all right.
Do you feel stuck marketing your financial planning practice? If you're like a lot of financial advisors, you struggle to craft effective marketing strategies that actually bring in leads. Your process probably goes something like this.
So fast.
Okay.
Say it out loud. Q-E-O-R. It helps.
It does, and it makes me feel more relaxed and like a little goofy.
Do you feel stuck marketing your financial planning practice? If you're like a lot of financial advisors, you struggle to craft effective marketing strategies that actually bring in leads. Your process probably goes something like this.
How do you feel? Do you want to take one more take?
I feel pretty good.
The nervousness is the same at the start, right? Because I was nervous coming into this. I'm nervous when I fire up Loom on my computer to record a quick client training. But I think having the live coaching made me feel more confident in the moment. Whereas when I'm recording myself and doing take after take, I start beating myself up and then I leave that experience feeling kind of icky. Even if I'm going to put the video out into the world, like I feel gross for the rest of my day or week and I don't want to use it in my marketing, but this I'm really excited about.